I'm outside in an Angie, right outside.
でもGoodbye.
Toes are done. Hey y'all, I'm out here looking like somebody auntie. But I'm about to get my hair done. I'm so excited. I'm trying something different and I'm so nervous, y'all. Like the first day I never really liked my hair when I tried something so different, but then like it grows on me. Who else does that happen to? Because I know I'm not the only one. But yeah, so I'm just hoping that I like it as soon as it comes on, or if I don't, that it grows on me. But yeah, this is me before the hair, and let's see. Hopefully, I'm gonna see if she allow me to like record a little bit throughout. But if not, I'll see y'all. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm turning 27. This is wild. Yeah.
How is it? Isn't it?
Oh my god, who am I? Wow. I be so boring. I finally got color.
Yes, and it's subtle. It's not crazy.
Yeah, I could see the blonde. Y'all almost didn't have an appointment. My good sis picked me up. Oh, look at me.
This is 11 bit. Things go wrong. The description have been a no-brainer. If you say your name wrong, you keep going. No fixing, okay? Knock it out.
Oh, there we go. Let's see it.
Yeah, that's not what it's her first package. So, what do you expect?
Oh my god, no way.
I am steaming my face right now, and then I'm about to put on a face mask because we need our face looking absolutely wonderful. This is an avocado face mask. Sorry, I'm watching Love Island in the background. Yo, I love Love Island. Oh my god, Justine and Caleb, fave. They better win that money because you can tell they love each other. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Y'all, it's my mother's birthday. It's my birthday. It's crazy, man. 27. I just remember when I was 21. Got my hair done. I love it. It's so cute. My hairstylist got me in. Now I'm washing my face. Yesterday I did a face mask. And yeah, I just can't wait. My fiance's taking me out. We never tell each other where we're taking each other. We just take each other. Be like, all right, be ready, bye, 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 bye. And yeah, it's my birthday. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. I'm exfoliating. Getting off all these dead skin cells because my makeup, when you put on makeup, when you like exfoliate, Oh my god, this just comes out so nice. So that's what I'm doing here. Later, I'm putting on makeup. And yeah, y'all, can't wait to see y'all later. Later, I'm gonna just be dressed like regular, wherever we're going. And then that night, I'm gonna change it to my birthday fit. Oh my god, guys, look what someone sent me. How pretty. Aww. I have no clue who sent me this, so thank you. I'm pretty sure I'm about to find out. But oh my god, this is so cute. Oh my god. Y'all, my dad brought me some roses and a balloon. He never forgets to bring me roses. Come here, Pooh. And my Pooh got me flowers, blue flowers. I wanted them so bad. Blue flowers. I'm so happy. And a cake. Look at the cake.
Cut it. I need a piece.
Yeah, he needs a piece. He can't wait for me to cut it. Where's the two?
2 strawberries.
Oh. Y'all, it got 2 strawberries. It got 2 strawberries and a 7. So I'm like, where's the 2? He's like, the 2 strawberries. He always be saying I'm slow, y'all. Stop. I didn't get it. I have no clue where I'm going. I took my hair out. Feeling good. Where am I going? On my phone. Interesting. Hi. I'm scared.
I seen something.
Nah, I wear glasses.
There you go. You got him right in the head.
Sheesh. Wow, this is so cool, guys. I thought I was gonna be scared. I'm not. I'm a G. I got this. He's back there loading it. Oh, I didn't mean to get you. Sorry. He's back there loading it. We at the gun range. It's in South Jersey. This is a lit. Y'all, oh my god, it was so cool.
Oh my god.
I'm ready, yo. My targets is A1. I was hitting on the head. Don't play.
Yeah,
Don't play. That was cool. I showed you. Well, I took a picture, but I'm gonna show the other ones later. But super cool. Now we about to go on our way. Get ready. Go to dinner. That was mad cool in there too. We're like in South Jersey and they're kind of racist. But that was pretty cool. So yeah. I'll see you guys in a minute. Guys, we're at my favorite hotel. Back again. Back again to AC. Y'all just seen that I posted Babe's birthday vlog. We back here. But I like this place. It ain't much to do out here these days with COVID. So we're gonna make the best of it. The hair is growing on me, the color. Cause y'all know I always do black and brown, but I had to get some color up in there. What was I asking? Same thing. Here's our room. Your body drive me crazy. Your body did a like Siffy. Yeah, when y'all get 27. But I'm still happy and blessed to be here. Period. Kurt Geiger bag. Macy's shoes. Forever 21 anklet.
Yo.
Pink leggings. Calvin Klein sweater. Yeah. That's the fit. That's the fit. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Look at the sunset, guys. That looks so nice. Ooh, look at these. Look at that sun on this glow. On my hair. Wow. Can't wait to get ready. Hey. Ooh, makeup is done. I got this selfie light from Elle.
Man, that was a lot. What the? That was not no shot.
I know. Woo! 27!
2024.
When you got a tall man, you gotta be like, I'm 5'1", he is 6'4". It did not work. Okay? Wait, I need to play my song right quick. Wow. Ooh, y'all orange.
What?
What is that thing on there?
You gotta taste it. I don't know.
Oh, my dinner was so good.
Nice.
Yes, I had so much fun today. Hi.
Real quick, the temperature check.
Again?
Yeah, every time you go.
Oh, okay.
Unfortunately.
Temperature check. Thank you. Had to do a temperature check. Wow. But that was like a digital one. Like, I'm used to the people just coming out of nowhere, putting a handgun. Now we're going back to the room.
Finals on.
Oh, Lordy. I'm going to sleep, so you know. He worried about these dang finals. Mask on at all times. How to do mask. Yeah, I got home, well, in the hotel, passed out. But I woke up at like 3 in the morning for a little bit and then went back to sleep. But now it's time to check out. Now we're gonna get some food. Next morning, I always wake up so hungry. So loved. Who got my flowers too, my sister. She's so sweet. Aww. Let's see. Ooh, these are so cute. Oh my god. Look at that. They got like some glitter on there. How cute. To try one. First I gotta take an Instagram picture. And then I'm gonna try one.